Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Pisces Water Sign. This is August weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Pisces Water Sign. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So the messages for you and what's going on. Under the deck, 10 of Pentacles, 4 of Cups, the Lovers, and 5 of Wands. So, Pisces, there are some issues between you and your person, but there is love. And the person involved in this connection could be especially Gemini or Cancer. And you're feeling bored, or you're feeling lonely, or for some, you're feeling missed opportunity with your person. And you want stability in this connection, and you're waiting for stability. And for some, it is coming. Maybe right now, the relationship between you and your person is slow moving, but you're waiting for this. Maybe you're missing for your person right now. So let's see our reading. Recent past, 9 of Cups, the Empress, and Ace of Swords. So I want clarification card for 9 of Cups. Okay. Then Ace of Swords. Under the deck, Death and Rebirth. For some, you are in separation right now with this person. So, recent past, definitely you are in separation with your person. You are wishing for this connection, but something happened suddenly. There is no stability in this relationship. So, you are suffering in silence because Ace of Swords, clarification card, King of Cups, and 5 of Pentacles. Definitely, right now, you're suffering in silence, Pisces, because you love this person a lot. You have very, very strong emotions, but there is no clarity in this relationship. That's why you want to overcome this pain and Empress energy. You want to be independent. In recent past, you are trying to out of this energy. You are trying to overcome this energy or out of this energy, but it is very painful for you to let go. That's why you were in this energy. 5 of Pentacles, it was past. Then present, the Sun, Knight of Cups, and Queen of Swords. So there is some awakening is coming into your life because the Sun. Then you become stubborn. You are thinking through your logical mind, Queen of Swords energy. But someone is coming to offer their love to you. For some, it could be past person. For some, it could be a new person. But they are in slow moving energy because Knights are always in slow moving. Then future, Page of Wands, Chariot, and 8 of Swords. So definitely there is some communication is coming. And for some, you both have age differences. And the Chariot. So yes, you are moving. Definitely you started moving in new direction. Even though it is slow moving, at least you are trying to overcome the past pain. Yeah, sometimes you are feeling stuck. That's why it is very slow moving. And for some, someone is coming into your life. But still you are feeling stuck. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Under the deck, Queen of Cups, Judgment, and Seven of Swords, Seven of Pentacles, sorry, and 4 of Swords. I think your person still waiting on you, and right now you both are not talking. They are taking rest or they are healing, but they will make decision. They are thinking about to make decision, and they also have strong emotions. So Pisces, let's see your person current feelings and intentions. Under the deck, Seven of Swords, Five of Pentacles, and the Hermit. I think there are some trust issues between you and your person. You may be hurt your person or they did hurt you. Definitely there is someone is sneaking this connection. It could be you or your person. So definitely, so suddenly ghosting you, maybe you ghosting them or they ghosted you. Yeah. Right now your person going through some spiritual awakening, some transformation. So the current feelings, Two of Swords, Knight of Swords, and Four of Pentacles. So your person right now is at some crossroads. Yes, they're juggling because one time they want to communicate with you, but another time they're holding back. This type of juggling they are going through right now because Two of Swords, Knight of Swords, and Four of Pentacles. One time they're in, they suddenly pick up their phone and want to communicate with you, and at the same time when they're getting lot thoughts about you a lot, maybe about your disturbances, about your fightings, then they're holding back, they're juggling. Then future, sorry, their intentions, Queen of Pentacles, Death, and Hierophant. Definitely it is all about commitment and marriage. Right now your person concentrating on their career. They know it was ended between you and your person, but they want rebirth in this connection. But a lot of issues involved in this connection. Yes, to be honest with you, in action wise I'm not seeing any solid action, but they're juggling right now. They want to communicate with you, at the same time they're holding back. That type of juggling right now they are going. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Lot of cards again. Two of Pentacles. Definitely a lot of juggling is going. The Moon, even though you both are separated, still they are holding on you. And the Moon, lot of issues, lot of illusions between both of you, still they are missing you so much. I think you are also missing them, Pisces. But you want to be independent emotionally, and right now you are focusing on your money also, because Nine of Pentacles. And for some you are doing manifesting techniques to manifest them back into your life. So let's see mutual energies. But they're still holding on you. Mutual energy, Six of Swords with Five of Wands. Yes, lot of drama is going. There is no clarity. Maybe one person still fighting for other person attention, and other person want to move on, or they want to move towards calm water. Yeah, lot of issues. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Pisces. Decision time. I'm serious about you. And mask. Trust issues. Yes. So trust issues, decision time, I'm serious about you, mask. These are the messages from your person. And so let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Meditate and contemplate new moon in Pisces. So if you are going through a lot right now in your life, so this is the message for you. Meditate and then analyze things. And emotions are running high, super moon. So if your emotions are running high, then do meditation. These two cards are correlated with each other. Definitely if your emotions are running high, especially when super moon is going, do meditation. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you'll get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.